Do you ever feel frustrated and stuck because you lack the time and freedom to do the things that you most want to do in your life? That was me, but I finally had enough of feeling that way. I woke up to myself and I realized the hard truth. Today is the youngest that you will ever be. Perhaps you're working in a job that you don't love, or worse than that, you're trapped working in a business that you own, but really your business owns you. I'm Greg Atkins and I want to share with you my escape plan, how I shifted my focus away from simply making money to instead create the freedom and lifestyle that I now enjoy. Nowadays, I'm traveling the world. I'm helping people improve the quality of their life. I'm contributing to causes I believe in, and most importantly, I'm able to take care of my family because I now have real financial security. And that's a very different life than the one I was living just a few short years ago. If you want to escape the rat race, ditch the 9-to-5 grind, and learn how you can get the car of your dreams paid for by someone else, listen closer to what I'm about to share with you. You're about to find out how I got this Maserati Quattroporte GTS paid for by someone else. You see, once upon a time I felt overwhelmed and a little lost. I had a successful business, and although I thought I was making what I thought was good money at the time, I had the headaches of relying on staff and managing overheads. But worse than that, I was stuck in one location. I was unable to travel for as long as I wanted. And I began to realize that it was actually my business that owned me. So I made a decision not to let the best years of my life slip through my fingers. The truth is, I'm not very good with computers, but it's no secret the world is moving online. We live in a digital world, and you can still be in front of the curve if you take action now. I knew that if I wanted a lifestyle business that I needed to find a mentor to teach me how to do what they had done. After wasting a lot of time and energy on trial and error, trusting the wrong people and losing a lot of money, I finally found a legitimate community of lifestyle business owners to teach me how to do what they've done. Let me say this right up front. This is not some click a mouse 5 times and wake up rich in the morning type thing. There's no such thing as get rich quick. And if you ask any self-made wealthy person, we all worked to get to where we're at today. Yes, nowadays we have systems and processes in place that do the work for us so we don't have to. But that's not magic, and it's not rocket science either. Now, I promised I was going to share with you how you can get the car of your dreams paid for by someone else. Pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you. I learned the art and science of lifestyle business through a community called MOBE. MOBE stands for My Own Business Education. By following their step-by-step system and implementing the education and training that MOBE provide, I am now living life on my own terms. People in their late 80s have been making money online by following the training and using the MOBE systems. You can earn a reliable income without the headaches of a traditional business. You won't be doing any selling, and this is not some pyramid network thing. This is a credible online business that you can be proud to tell your friends about on the golf course. I'm living proof that someone with very little computer skills can use the MOBE systems and the training to create a lifestyle and a lifestyle income and the freedom that we all deserve. In fact, not only am I enjoying making money from the beach or in my pajamas, but I've achieved a level of success with MOBE that I now have this beautiful Maserati Quattroporte paid for through a program called MOBE Motors. Basically, on top of all the income I've earned, as an extra bonus, MOBE also will pay for your dream car when your business develops a performance level. So I picked out this Maserati Quattroporte GTS and MOBE pick up the payments. But you don't need to settle for a Maserati. If that's not your thing, some people choose a ski boat, some prefer a Porsche, others a Ferrari. Whatever your dream car or boat, the MOBE Motors program can be applied to enhance your lifestyle. The bottom line is that no one wants to work until they die. But take a look around. Take a look around at what's happening in the world. And if you're honest with yourself, that's what's happening. Don't put your head in the sand and end up becoming part of the should've when I could've crowd. You owe it to yourself to test drive this easy to follow coaching program. And while working one-on-one with your dedicated coach, you will see if this is the perfect fit for you. The best part is that you get to keep the education and training for life. Plus, they have a no questions asked money back guarantee, so there's no risk, and therefore no reason not to test drive this for yourself. Just to be super clear, this is not about selling things on the internet. This is about something far more important and far more valuable. This is about your future working out. So make a decision to take action and improve the quality of your life with this coaching program. Because if not now, when? Reach out to Merb or myself so we can welcome you to the family, and I'll see you inside the community.